I have a charbroil electric bistro grill that keeps blowing the grill plug on my patio.
How old is the system in question? And have you consulted an electrician yet?
Brand new and already replaced fee by electrician, worked fine the first week but started blowing plug.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I can.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, unless you think it might be in the grill itself, loose wire or something else.
Hi, I'm Mike and I'll be assisting you. Please stand by while I review your question. Give me the nameplate information. Tell me the size of the breaker.
It will take a minute to get.
Standing by.
Mod 17602047, 1759 watts 120 volts 15 breaker. Sorry, 1750 watts. Worked fine for the first week, then it started blowing the fee. I had maintenance replace plug. It will work on low setting for about 6 minutes. It blows. If on high setting, it blows in about 90 seconds.
Having a 15A circuit which can only be loaded to 80% by code, that is 12A. Your grill at 1750 watts is 14.65 amps. That is an overload. You need a 20A circuit and GFCI.
Why would it work for a week then start?
It would work till it failed. The amperage is heating the components until they fail.
Can maintenance here just put in a higher rated fee without replacing circuit breaker?
Probably not. The wire size no doubt is number 14, which is 15A. A 20A circuit is number 12 wire.
Okay, thank you for your assistance.
Anytime, you're welcome.
What if I use a different plug but it's not a fee but is 20 amp?
The load exceeds the capacity of the circuit. 15A circuit can be loaded to 12A, 20A circuit can be loaded to 16A.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.